All right, so this is section 4.2, and the first part of it is a lot of stuff that we've been doing all year long, so we really should know. So the first thing we're going to do is add polynomials. So in our notes, we want them to add horizontally and we want them to add vertically. So let's do this one horizontally. Okay, now most people, most of our students and myself add horizontally. This is kind of what we do. So we're just going to add these two. So and we're going to put plus. So 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 7 plus x cubed minus 10x squared plus 8. All right, so now that we have that, we're going to combine like terms and simplify this. When I do, I mark them off as I use them. So 3x cubed plus x cubed is 4x cubed. 2x squared minus 10x squared is minus 8x squared. This is the only x. And then minus 7 plus 8 is plus 1. So this is what you would get. All right, now if you do this on the same one, but this time you go vertically. Okay, so what it wants you to do, go ahead and write this out. So 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 7, okay? And it wants you to add this. So I'm going to put each one with like terms directly under the one that has a like term. So plus x cubed minus 10x squared, and I'm going to put this plus 8 over here because it goes with the minus 7. Okay, so when we add these, this would be 4x cubed minus 8x squared minus x plus 1. That's my final answer. So whichever way you prefer or you're more comfortable with, please use that way. All right, let's look at example 2 now. In example 2, we are subtracting. Okay, so notice it says 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus x plus 1 from 8x cubed minus 3x minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 9. So what that means is we would have 8x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 9 minus 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus x plus 1. Okay, now to get rid of these parentheses here, they don't really do anything. So 8x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 9. Now, most of the people that'll make mistakes won't distribute this negative all the way through, and you have to distribute it all the way through. Okay, so it'll be minus 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus x minus 1. Okay, now just simplify. So 8x cubed minus 2x cubed would be 6x cubed. Minus 3x squared minus 6x squared is minus 9x squared. Minus 2x plus x would be a minus x. Plus 9 minus 1 is a plus 8. So that would be your final answer. All right, when we did this in class, we skipped example 3 because we do the same thing in example 4 as we did example 3. Okay, so this just basically wants us to add these 4 binomials. So basically it wants us to do x minus 1 times x plus 4 times x plus 5. Okay, so when we do this, I have to multiply 2 at a time. I can't multiply all 3 at the same time. I have to multiply 2 at a time. And you can pick any 2 you want, but I'm just going to pick, I don't know, these 2. Okay, so I'm going to pick x minus 1 times x plus 4. And you could either FOIL this out or box it out, whatever, but you would get x squared plus 3x minus 4. Okay, so you're going to substitute that in for those. So I'm going to rewrite it over here. We have x squared plus 3x minus 4, and we're going to multiply that by x plus 5. Okay, now anytime I have 3 terms, and you don't have to do this by any means, but anytime I have 3 terms, I like to box it out. I don't like to FOIL. I make too many mistakes. So x plus 5, x squared plus 3x minus 4. Okay, so x times x squared is x cubed. 3x times x is 3x squared minus 4x. 5x squared plus 15x minus 20. Okay, and after you get that, all you do is you add each one of these boxes. Okay, so it'd be x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x plus 5x squared plus 15x minus 20. Okay, and when you do that, when you combine like terms, you're left with just an x cubed plus, we have a 3x squared and a 5x squared, so plus 8x squared minus 4x plus 15x would be plus 11x, and then minus 20. Okay, so this would be our final answer.